Tucson's long-serving presiding judge over city court is now facing calls not to be reappointed. This after a group of local attorneys exposed defendants' constitutional rights were being violated. The decision is now up to the city council. News 4 Tucson's Chorus Nylander has spent a week investigating the issue and joins us live from Tucson City Court downtown with what he has uncovered so far. Chorus.
Well, Sean, the city's own commission tasked every 4 years with reviewing the performance of judges is unanimously recommending not to reappoint presiding judge Antonio Riojas Jr. after more than 20 years on the bench. He's now asking the mayor to overlook that recommendation and the many issues they raised. Tucson City Court's top administrator of justice is facing accusations of injustice and may not be reappointed after being accused of violating defendants' constitutional rights. According to this report filed September 1st from the City Magistrate Selection Commission, which reviews judges' performances every 4 years, found Judge Antonio Riojas Jr. created a court policy to not appoint legal counsel for DUI defendants due to a staffing shortage in the public defender's office. Writing, quote, Judge Riojas' decision to dispense with due process for the sake of the city's administrative convenience is disqualifying for judicial office.
The law is crystal clear that shouldn't happen.
Michael Bloom is one of 4 defense attorneys who wrote a joint letter to the Pima County Superior Court in April exposing the issues. He says a day later the practice ended.
I don't know that they've ever gone back and addressed the question of between, say, January and April of this year, all of the people whose rights were violated and what the implications of that were.
He was joined by defense attorney Louis Fidel.
The Constitution is the bedrock of our system of justice, and it establishes what is absolutely required in terms of an individual's rights.
Riojas' future is in the hands of the mayor and city council. In a letter to Mayor Regina Romero September 8th, Riojas admitted the policy was wrong and asked her to still reappoint him, saying, quote, I admit that my decision concerning the appointment of counsel at arraignments was ill-advised. However, I am only asking that this decision not be the decision that defines my service to the city of Tucson. But while interviewed by the commission, he made no apologies and maintained he felt he had the right to impose such a policy. News 4 Tucson asked Mayor Romero about this issue. Her response was no comment. Councilmember Paul Cunningham, though, isn't holding back. He feels it's time for a change at City Court.
He's given his 20 years, and it might be time to examine taking the courts in a different direction.
And I reached out to Judge Riojas Jr. directly requesting an interview. He said he was simply too busy, referred me back to that letter he sent to the mayor for his comments. Again, this is all in the hands of Tucson City Council. It's been put on their agenda for Tuesday to vote on whether or not to reappoint him. We'll keep you informed as this situation moves forward. We're live from downtown Tucson tonight. Chorus Nylander, News 4 Tucson.